This is a Kobalt socket set. I don't know how many pieces it is, but it's a badass new socket set they just came out with. But I'll show you the big one. See how it's got the hole in the middle? What's real unique about these is put your socket in. Yeah, if you were going down like on a piece of all thread and there was like, you know, a nut at the bottom, you can go all the way down to the bottom where your nut would be at or whatever you're screwing on, or you know, ratcheting on, and ratchet it, you know, and just pull your, ratchet off. Oh, that's probably the best thing about them. And then of course that makes the interlocking deal or whatever, the sockets different. Normal sockets won't be able to fit these wrenches, but they do make adapters for that right here. Here's your adapter, and then I can put normal sockets on there. Turns it into a regular socket, and but yeah, and it has those for the little socket. And there it is. But yeah, just want to do a little review on this Kobalt socket set. It's fairly new. It's badass. Best socket set on the market, probably. I don't know. I mean, it's pretty good. It comes with all these little extras. You got your Phillips head, flat head, your #1 Phillips head, and the #2. It's got the Allen wrenches, and it's got the star keys, all different sizes of them, bigger Allen wrenches. But yeah, I mean, it works pretty good. It's got all the extensions for you know, each different size, each ratchet. Pretty nice setup. Can do a lot of different things with this. Yeah, comes with a good case. Sturdy. Just figured I'd do a little review of it.